Hello you guys, welcome to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the button. So if you are one of those 7 out of 10 people that don't like to work on your car, but you still need information if you have some problem with your car, and so you don't get ripped off when you bring to the shop or the dealer, today I'm gonna do a review on a very inexpensive code reader, which is they should bring up the code for whatever problem you have in your car, and it will show you what the problem is, so you get an idea what's going on, so you don't get ripped off when you bring it to a shop. So this tool is a VD10, and it's a code reader. So this one, let me say a little bit information about this. This have 6 OBDII function. It's very easy to work on, and is plug and play basically, and it's compatible with over 90% of the vehicle current now. So let's open it up. So like I said, this is very inexpensive one. So when you open up, you got the instruction manual right here, a user manual, and you got the reader itself. So as you can see, very nice to hold on to, and of course it's a OBD2 port, so it should be compatible with any vehicle that's 96 and up. So this also have the DTC lookup, which is if it show up the code, it would tell you a little bit information about the code, so you can check it out. So let's go and test it out and see how it go. Okay, let me set it up on my vehicle. So what you do is you plug into your OBD2 port, which it should be mostly under your driver's side. Okay, let me plug this in. Very easy to plug it in. And since this don't use any battery, it take the power straight from your car OBD2 port. So let me put this on and see. Let's try and read some code from this for this vehicle. So give me a second. Let me set this up so it's more easier. There you go. Now let me turn on my vehicle and let's do a test. Turn it on. All right. All right, now let's get started, okay? So first you want to do is set right here. If you want to do the scan, you go press enter. If you want to do the setup, let's try the setup. Go down. So setup, you got language. So they come with about 6 language. And then you got unit of measure. You got English and metric. And then you got the construct, which is for the screen. And then go ahead and exit. Now go to the scan function. Go to scan function, OBD2. So scan. Okay, let's go and test out. So this one is let me see. So you got read code, you got erase code, you got view, freeze frame, read data stream. I am reading this, which is this one is help you get ready if you have a smog test coming for your car. So you get this, they will diagnostic your vehicle, see if you can pass the smog test or not. And then you got vehicle info. Let's go to vehicle info. So vehicle info is basically okay, so basically it's gonna check your vehicle ID. See, it might show up the VIN number, so you can match this. Let's say you buy a car and you want to know if your car computer have the same VIN number as your the title on the car or the VIN number on the windshield, then this will show up. That's the VIN number on your car computer, so you know if you got the right one or not, so you can match that up. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so as I show you, this is going to be the diagnostic for the smog test. So usually for this, you have to wait until your car in a warm-up stage to test it. So we're not going to do that. So let's go to recode and see if any code with this vehicle right now. So recode, no code, right? Recode is no code, so this car have no code in there. So basically my car don't have any problem, so that's why it don't have any code coming up. Now the next one is erase code. So if you have some code, you press this to erase them, right? Since my car don't have any code, so there's nothing to erase. Usually on the recode, if you have any problem, it will show you exactly what the code is, and it will show you exactly what the code is, like a little description of what's the problem of it. So you can use that as a little information, so you can bring it to the dealer, or you can bring it to a shop and say, hey, look, my car have a evap code, or some kind of evap leaking, or water pump, or maybe it's the gas pump. They will show you that, and then you can tell them, so it gives you more information. View freeze frame. So basically, if you have a problem, you can do a freeze frame, so it will record that problem right on that time, so you will know what happened to your vehicle. So let's go to read data stream. So read data stream basically is live data. It tells you a little bit of information about your vehicle currently right now, so you kind of check out and know what's going on. So they give you data stream right now. You have 13 pages of it, so they give you all kind of information. Look at this. So your occurring RPM. They give you a temperature, map, as you can see, give you more information. So they give you most information that you needed. Like I said, this is very inexpensive scan tool, and you got all this information, so it's really worth your money. I have this scan tool link on Amazon, link on my video description, so check it out. And I also have a code for 10% off in case you want to buy it. So check out my video description for information on this code reader. So you got a whole bunch of data stream, live data that you can that this scan tool show. See how nice that is. So let's go back, go exit. Maybe my vehicle is in the warm-up stage right now. Let's do the I am reading this, right? Enter. And then this cycle. Okay, let's go do this, see it work. Misfire, okay. So right here, show you right here. So everything looked good. So you can confidently bring this car to, or your car to the smog test and get it passed. So since DTC clear, let me see that. So everything's okay, everything's good. Everything looked great. Everything looks nice. Let's go back. So it's nice and easy to use, as you can see. Very inexpensive code reader, and Vdiagtool is very nice company. And if I were you looking for a very inexpensive code reader, then this is a good brand to go with. As you can see, it's really nice, and it give you a lot of function for the price that you pay. So that's it for this video. That's it for this little review on this code reader. I hope you find it useful, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.